Hi, welcome back to a new part of our tutorial to make a spaceship. Today we want to make the front ready. So we have on second layer something that we need. There's that here, like an arrow. We should make a copy of that. With them we move them to the first layer. We jump to the first layer. We look that we close that object as well as we can. So take all and we try to close them separately. So we try to close that one here, that here, and so on. Here we need an word to, so we go in there and make one subdivide. Then we have here this word, and we can close that. And so we try to close it as well as we can. Surely that's not the perfect way to close it all, but you know the answer. We do it like we do that. Good. We want to have some loops more because we want to bend that a little. So that should be enough. Here is a little arrow I see. There is double I think, so we remove doubles. Good, then we let it like this. We plug that onto our front of the ship. That is nearly there. Rotate set to bring it more to them. I start use screencast keys so you can see here what I type. So when we look now from the top, we see that we are near on, but not completely. So that means we have to tweak a lot. And that means we go in there and extrude it first time. And then we take the front. And with proportional editing connected, we grab X. So we bend the front to the ship. So that is now leaning on. You see here that is not on the ship. So we mark that part here and grab X again. Roll the middle mouse to get the influte of that. Good. We go with the top. Then we must go with the down part a little out again. And then we can take both. Grab X. Good. Then the front one, but then alone. That means we have to cut there too. That means we must cut there too. And the back side surely too. Good. Now we should bend that correctly. Grab X, bring it onto. Good. We look at the back. Yeah, that sits good. Good. We have that one. For that one, we can use subdivision surface to get it more like that, and a smooth on it to get more like that. And we play around a little. Good. We use an edge split on it to get the clear datas. I think that here must be more to the X, so grab X again. Yeah. And grab X here. Yeah. But think here that is. We have here a jump through that isn't normal. Of course, here's no cut. We need to cut here. So that means we take that here and take a subdiv. Then we can connect that words here and close with F. The same we do here. And then we have closed that one. Now we must look, there is something from that is wired. So X delete dissolve this word and this we don't need to. Then we have that here. Looks better. Then we can recalculate this all with here on the shading we have recalculated, and the rest makes the edge split then. We don't need then this subdivision anymore. Here there is a shading error in that can have much things why it is so. I think because here is not cut and in the background there is no cut. That should be that. Good. We will look at that later. We want to make meters today. So, good. We go to top view and make here this, the stuff that we want to cut out. So we add mesh or plane. Scale down, grabbing, scaling, edit mode, delete 3 words so that only one leaves. Positioning is here, a little bit near maybe. So then we extrude to that point, then down there on the window, then there to this point, and close that with F. So we have our plate that we want to drag out there, cut out there better. So edit mode, we have marked that, mark the ship with shift 2, and then edit mode, we have to apply first our frontier. So we make short copy of that, shift D, bring it by side. Then we accept the subdivision surface. Yep. Now we get here our cut thing, then the ship itself, then edit mode, A to select all, and go here to knife project from view. That is that here. We've done that often before, so we bring them out, P separate selection. Now we have here a single one, go here to geometry, we have it here. Now we can extrude the whole thing down, that we have a thickness there, and give them a material shiv plates, it called. So we can delete here these two and give them shiv plates. Good. That we have for this side. We need it for the other side too. So we make here an apply for rotation scale, shift D, no, sorry, an alt D. Then we take the mirror interactive and bring it onto. Good. So that we can move to second layer 2. Look from top. We now have that here. We go on and add a mesh plane. Scale down. grab set to bring it on top. Edit mode, word select, and delete 3. Get 1, grabbing, we make here, extrude to that point, then here, and then straight up there, and close that up. Little tweak. Good. First mark that, then the ship, edit mode, mark all, knife project, P, separate, click on, get the origin to geometry, bring it up a little, edit mode, mark all, extrude, bring down, give them the color, ship, plates, good, top view. The next one, add mesh plane, scale, grab set to the top, grab middle, edit mode, word selection, delete 3 words, get this word, bring it in position, extrude, and go along the reference. Good. Mark it all. Add object mode, origin to geometry, mark the ship width. You know what I mean. Move that to second layer, that here too. There we need a copy, but first we must apply rotation scale. Alt D, duplicate them. Take the mirror. Good. Last one. Add mesh plane. Scale down. Grab set. Oh, that was too much here. Grab set. Edit mode. Delete the words. Grab position. Extrude. And don't must be so perfect. It is on you to say how much time you would spend for that. Good. Oh, ship was done. Yeah. Okay. Move that to second layer. Then here this round long thing here. That should be have glass material, so we'll go in here and give them good glass. Okay. So we have that. Now we need the connection to them. So we go to that view here. And the same as before. Add mesh plane, scale. In this case, rotate Y 90. Or, yeah, rotate Y 90. So scale, bring it in front. Good. Then delete the words and get that word. And from them we need now to connect with the other one there. So that means from here we're extruding along the window and get a connection with that here. So we got that. And you see we have a little difference there. So we should make there another subdivide in. So we have one word more. And with them we can get that a little bit near. Think here in this we need another one. So subdivide again and get them there. Good. We have that one. So we cut out that. We have a little difference here, see? So we go here, near, and here, and there. Good. Mark both. Knife project. Separating. Then we get the origin there. And extrude that. Then give them the material. So we got that. On that part we must work a little, I see. So I go back where there's no thickness on there. Control set. Or delete it back. So here that should be straight line surely. So we go from here to here, complete. So that should be all one, so scale x 0, and then we can rotate that, then we become that. That is a straight line. That looks more realistic nature. Same we try here. So I have to tweak a little here. Yeah, you must have an eye for that. So play around and you see then where are the arrows and how you can bend them. Good, we have it. Extrude again to the back. Then in this case, I think they're doubles, so remove doubles and get here and recalculate. And in this case, we will make other stuff. I delete that back there. We use here solidify for that. That in this case can be better. Solidify. That makes it thicker, but it must be before the edge slide comes. Good, it's clear why it looks so wired, because we make a perspective cut that never can uh, absolutely be straight with the model. Good, but it don't cares. So um, apply rotation scale, Alt D, use mirror. Here you see now how it works here. You can make that smaller. and bring onto. That's good. That we close later all, that is not a problem. We see here, we need to go a little bit more to the ship. Here too. And here a little bit too thick all in all. So we take the complete one and bring it more in. Yeah. But not at the front, so rotate set a little. Yes. Good. This one we must apply to. And with Alt D make a copy of that. Then take the mirror and bring it onto. Good. Yeah, looks real good for now. So then we want to cut out that here. So we try again. Add mesh plane. Oh, no cube, that was a cube. Scale down. Rotate Y 90. Scale down. Edit mode. Delete 3 words. Get this 1 word. And we start from here. Extrude along the window. Then close up. Not complete, but in the direction. And then we go here and close that one. So we have that we want to cut now in. So we get the origin to the geometry. Then we click the ship with shift. We hold the shift. You know that all. So we have that and extrude. You can make it here with a solidify too. That is real, like you would. Good. We'll give them this ship material. Good. And a little bit in. Good. On the origin to geometry, then we apply that. Rotation scale. Alt D. Make a copy. Oh, that was the wrong one. This white one. Alt D. So take the mirror and bring it onto the ship. Yeah. Yeah, that will be fine later. Okay, we go on. Next one. Add mesh plane. Scale down, rotate Y 90. Bring it in front. Edit mode. Delete 3 words. And surely that's a real problem that we make that here in perspectivic view and cut that off, because that never will fit totally. But in the whole ship later will look good, because you don't look at the details later so much than now at the modeling. Nobody looks later there. Oh, there's a little cut. I don't know. Is that right? Later this ship flies maybe, and you don't can see what is wrong there, because it's too fast for that. Yeah, but enough. Good. we go on. So we have that. It is separated, so we can take that and give them the material ship thing there. So here I see we must do work a little, and I give them a solidify. I think that's better here. So solidify and bring before the edge. Of course, the shading then is gone with that. Yeah. Here we must go near, and to do that we should use proportional connected. So grab X and we can roll the mouse so it includes the rest to come with us. And then we should rotate Y a little to bring that out there. Yeah. But it is all in all too much there. So we have to go here. Then without proportional and bring it more onto there. There we have a word too less. That is the problem. To tweak that completely good there. Yeah. Now we must see how that looks later. Oh, we will see it. Good. This one here, origin to geometry and apply rotation scale. Alt E, make a copy, bring it to side. Oh, that's a fat one. So we make it a little smaller here from the thickness. So then we take the mirror and plug on. Good. Here that we can do every time, but we want to make the front ready, and then we see. Good, that we move to second layer, that we move to second layer. Good, now we make the front and then it's all. Yep. Top view. Get this plane. Grab set to bring it on top. Then delete the words. We make here 3 parts, but with a little variation on so that we have the good look for that. So we start here with extruding. Then we give them here that little tip and go back to the top till close. Good. Then we cut it in. P to separate. Origin there. Modifier on it. Solidify before. Give them material. Good. That move to second layer. W. Now we make a longer one that goes to the front here, and then we have the last one. Add mesh plane, scale down. Okay, so we extrude along. Was it cut it in? I don't know. Doesn't look so. So we try it again. Oh, it is cut, but it isn't separated. That was the thing. Okay. Solidify. That must be before the edge. We have here the solidify and here the edge. And that one can be bring up with this arrow, and then he makes it first solidate, and then he deletes this shading arrows with the edge slide. That is why this is very important. What is first and what is second, and so on. That we can move to second layer. So now we want to close that tip. So I don't see this point. Oh, no, that is not good. Again, add plane, scale down, scale down. Aha, it is not high enough. That was the error. Okay. This one a little bit deeper, so we'll make it here deeper too. Good, file save. I only close the tip there with you, and then we let that for today. The rest we make another day. Extrude. So that one here we can copy, Alt D, but we must apply that before. So object, apply rotation scale, Alt D, copy, and mirror to get it done. Good. The rest we will look later then. But for today, that is a good result. You can tweak on the fine things there to make it a little bit more good than I did that. But all in all, you see that is a good result for this spaceship there. When later comes light out of these cuts there, and then it will look good. What we have for another problem is when you go in this mode here, solid mode, you see here different colors. That means their normals are different. That normal looks the other way than this normal. That is turned 180 degrees from the normals. That means you must click them and go here under moment, must search that. Recalculate the normals. Yeah, recalculate. Good, we make that next time. I don't find it now. Why ever? Ah, here's it, recalculate. And here the same, recalculate. And so you can make them all that the normals are in the right direction. That is good for shading later. That looks then better because you have all on the front in the same direction, and that is important to get no color differences between them. So we recalculate them all.
They are good now. Good. We'll let it for today. See you in the next tutorial. So bye.